Here I am in Sri Lanka. There's my bed that I slept in, big mosquito net. It was actually so comfortable, and I'll give you a tour of my accommodation. So the bedroom, big bedroom windows. There's my big gate, floor to ceiling window. Beautiful. I've got my crystals laid out so they're charging. I've got my portable battery pack charging and murals. All my shoes laid out. And then I'll show you the bathroom. Pretty cute. Got all my stuff organized. And then the shower is really cool. It's just like open. And it actually got so hot too. I was worried about like not hot water, but it was like, I had to turn it down because it was so hot. My big floor to ceiling windows that make up the other portion of the house. Next door is a backpackers resort. So they were a bit noisy last night playing music, but it was all my favorite songs that I would have been playing for myself anyway. The only reason I was like, ugh, was because I was so tired from 30 hours of travel. Some frangipanis. Got my water cooler. There's another mural over there. All the basics, a little hot plate, that's all the recycling. Massive recycling bin. This is like a smoothie maker blender, so I can get some fruit from a fruit market. Dishes, fridge with my ham sandwich in there, bunch of tea, instant coffee, ton of extra water for the water cooler, little like bar, kitchen bar area where I can sit, big huge comfy sofa, whole area under here. Maybe I can do some yoga if I'm doing it inside. I'll use this space here. Some baby stuff. I think the owner of my Airbnb has young kids. And then we'll go up to the loft. And there's the loft bed. I thought about using this as my bed, but I don't know. I just felt more secure in the bedroom. And that is my place. All right, so I'm gonna go explore the town a little. I'm starving. I haven't eaten in like 24 hours, so I'm gonna have breakfast at a cafe, even though it's like noon or something, but it's fine. So I made it back from town. I actually didn't go to the beach. I ended up just going to a cafe, and then it was right next to the supermarket. So I went in the supermarket and got my groceries. I stopped at a little like random shop on the way there and got some flowy elephant pants. I'll show you here. So these are the pants I got. They're adorable, and they are handmade in Sri Lanka by Gayatri. So that's pretty cool. And they cost me 1,000 rupees, so like $4 Canadian, which is great. And then I got all of these groceries for 5,000 rupees. So like 20 bucks, $25, and I'll break it down for you here. So yeah, all of this cost me 20 bucks. So I got some potatoes, clove of garlic, tomatoes, green capsicum, couple avocados, and cabbage. And then I've got like a tomato-based sauce, soy sauce, coconut oil, pasta, and then I've got like little spices to go with the pasta, and then I'll put it with all my veg. And then rice, that'll last me like the whole time. And rice noodles, so I'll make some like pad thai. They also had tofu, but I didn't actually pick any up, so I need to go back maybe some point today and pick up the tofu. Real coconut milk powder. So I thought I'd give this a go instead of the cans. I figured I'd give the coconut milk powder a go. Not sure how it's gonna be, but it was like 25 cents, so can't go wrong. Chicken curry paste, biryani, and tandoori. Then I got some lentils and chickpeas, and then feta cheese, that'll go on my pasta. This is just salt, because there was none in the Airbnb, and butter. So that is what I got. That's at least a couple of meals for 20 bucks. My avocados are quite firm, so I've got them in the little sun patch in the kitchen window, so hopefully by the morning they'll soften up and be ready to go. I forget what this rock is called. I saw it on a YouTube video, but there's a rock. It actually breaks some of the waves from the ocean, because some of these waves are insane, like bigger than I've seen, and I've seen some big waves. But the rock kind of breaks some of the waves, so you can actually go swimming with some calmer waves in front of the rock. So I'm gonna get in the water, and then actually I can see the other like famous coconut tree hill from where I'm standing, so I might try to walk over that way as well. I'll show you from the top. Made it to the top. It was kind of a crazy climb, but that's all right. A bit further to go. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely gorgeous. I am just like, oh my gosh, what the fuck? It's so nice. So getting to that rock, my forehead is so sticky. Oh my god. Anyway, I got soaking wet though, because there's like a spot where you can walk through and it's like only goes to your knees, and then there's a spot where it goes up your butt, and I took the second one. So I've made it to another beach called Black Sand Beach, and the sand is black and like quite coarse. It's like big, thick grains of sand. Feels nice on the feet, exfoliation. The waves are coming in hot. I think it might be high tide, so it's kind of hard to get back. I might have to run or take the road, but that's okay. Time is now. I made some friends. They are so cute. just got in the sea and it was lovely. The water here is so warm, and actually it's like 5 p.m. now. So the air is comfortable, there's a nice breeze. I'm like in heaven. This is so beautiful. I am just in awe at how gorgeous this place is. There's monkeys. Hi, baby monkey.